Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Shirogorov Hati here with me. This is a beautiful knife made in Russia, and it's just beautiful. It's one of my favorite blades. It's a little bit pricey. This is gonna be around like $800-900 depending on the materials you're gonna choose for the blade and the finish, for the handles, but that's more or less the ballpark. So not a cheap knife whatsoever, but this is just fantastic. This is like around 5 inches long when closed. This one here has a silver twill carbon fiber scale, which is just phenomenal, like crazy, just beautiful. This one has like a radial pattern, like milled out onto this scale, which just makes this carbon fiber just shine, guys. It's just phenomenal. This is in M390 steel, so good to go. And Shirogorov offers Vanax, Elmax, different steels, for your blade. This is a beautiful drop point, 3.75 inches blade with a pretty cool and light stonewash finish. With has some reflection, but it's a little bit opaque at the same time. Beautiful, beautiful finish right over here. Just a flat grind, and sound is this, guys. Opening sound is phenomenal. It's just beautiful. When you close it, it's like this. So louder on the opening action and just like muffled thud in the closing one. The weight is going to be around 4 to 4.4 ounces, depending on the scale and on the blade material. The pocket clip is a titanium 3D sculpted beauty, just fantastic in and out of the pocket. It's just the perfect clip to me. And I mean, overall, the fit and finish of this guy is top notch. The grip is just phenomenal. There's no hot spots. This jimping right over here, it's subtle, but it's beautifully done. And I mean, the highlight of this guy, it's going to be the action. This is phenomenal. Like, look at this. You don't need to wiggle anything. Look at that. It's just smooth as butter. Like, I have no words to describe the smoothness of this knife over here. It's one of the best that I own, and this is a production knife. Look at that. It's just fantastic. This is running on multi-row bearings, like as it's engraved on the inside, and it's just great. I mean, the tent, it's just perfectly dialed in. This action is phenomenal. The look is great. The sound is fantastic. So if you want to know more, please check out my full review of this guy. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned.